In this video, we're diving into how to use NordVPN on public Wi-Fi to protect your data at cafes, airports, hotels, and anywhere you connect. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you stay safe online. Now, if you've ever opened your laptop at an airport lounge or your favorite coffee shop without thinking twice, you might be exposing yourself to hackers and snoops. Today, I'll explain the risks of public Wi-Fi, why a VPN is essential, and how to set up NordVPN step by step. Now, did you know that when you connect to an open Wi-Fi network, anyone on the same network could potentially spy on your traffic, even if the coffee shop has a password? The router owner or a hacker on the network can intercept unencrypted data. A virtual private network, or VPN, encrypts your internet traffic, creating a secure tunnel that hides your activity from prying eyes. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPN services, and I'll show you how to use it to stay safe. Why public Wi-Fi is risky. No encryption by default. Most public Wi-Fi networks are either open with no password or protected only by a shared password. Even if there's a password, anyone with it can join the network. Without extra protection, data sent over Wi-Fi, like passwords, emails, and personal information, can be intercepted. Attackers use tools to capture unencrypted packets and read your data in plain text. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Hackers can set up fake networks that mimic legitimate ones. For example, airport_free_Wi-Fi, or exploit poorly configured routers. When you connect, they position themselves between you and the internet, intercepting and potentially altering your traffic. This is called a man-in-the-middle attack. Attackers could redirect you to phishing sites or inject malware into downloads. Data logging by network owners. Even if the network isn't malicious, the owner of the router can see logs of connected devices, websites visited, and sometimes even the content of unencrypted traffic. Some businesses may sell this data to advertisers or use it for analytics. If you care about privacy, you need an extra layer of protection. Unsecured IoT and devices. Many devices on public networks, such as smartphones, tablets, and IoT gadgets, are vulnerable to malware. If an infected device connects to the same network, it can spread malware or attempt to access other devices. Keeping your connection secure helps reduce your exposure. How a VPN protects you. Encryption and tunneling. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic using strong protocols. NordVPN uses AES 256 encryption, the same standard used by governments and banks. When you connect to NordVPN, your data travels through an encrypted tunnel to a VPN server. Now, even if someone intercepts the data, they can't read it without the decryption key. Hiding your IP address. Your IP address identifies your device on the internet and can reveal your rough location. A VPN masks your IP by routing your traffic through one of its servers. To websites and trackers, your connection appears to come from the VPN server's location. This adds anonymity and makes it harder to track you. Preventing data logging. NordVPN follows a strict no-logs policy. This means they don't record your browsing activity or connection metadata. Even if authorities requested logs, there would be nothing to share. Trusted server technology ensures that servers run on RAM, so no data is stored long-term. Combined with encryption, this prevents your data from being logged by network owners or the VPN provider. Additional security features. NordVPN offers extra protections like a kill switch, which stops internet traffic if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. This prevents your device from accidentally sending unprotected data. CyberSec blocks malicious sites and ads, reducing the risk of malware infections. Double VPN routes your traffic through two servers for added encryption. Onion over VPN combines the VPN with the Tor network, adding another layer of anonymity. Choosing a NordVPN subscription. So NordVPN offers several plans with similar core features but varying subscription lengths and add-ons. So if you want to get started with NordVPN, just click the link down below in the description. At the time of recording, they're currently running their Black Friday exclusive deal where you can get big savings plus 4 months extra. So all we need to do here is click on Get the Deal. And then from here, you can choose between one of their 4 different plans. They've got the basic, the plus, the complete, and the prime. Go ahead and just pause the screen right here to check out the differences in these different plans. And then what you can also do too is come up here and change from a 2-year to a 1-year. See how the prices change. 1 year to a 1 month and see how the prices really change. So for this example, we'll go ahead and just select the 2-year plan and go with the Plus plan, their best value plan. So for $105.03, you're going to get 2 years plus 4 months extra for an effective price of $375 per month, which is an insane deal, 74% off. They've also got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see if it's going to be right for you, and make your decision within those 30 days. Again, link down in the description to get the best pricing and take advantage of NordVPN's Black Friday deal. Setting up NordVPN for public Wi-Fi. Step 1, create an account and install the app. Click the link down in the description to get started with NordVPN. Pick your plan, enter your email, and complete the purchase. After paying, you'll receive a confirmation email and instructions for downloading the app depending on your device. NordVPN supports Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, and browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. Download the correct version for your device and install it. The installation process is super simple. Just open the installer, accept the terms, and follow the prompts. On mobile devices, install the app from your app store. Step 2, log in and explore the interface. Open the app and log in with the email and password that you use to create your account. NordVPN's interface typically displays a world map and a list of servers by country. You can connect to the nearest server or choose one manually. Explore the settings to familiarize yourself with features like the kill switch, auto connect, and specialty servers. Step 3. Enable security features. Before connecting, enable the kill switch. This feature blocks internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, ensuring that you never send unencrypted data. In the settings, find the kill switch toggle and turn it on. Also enable CyberSec, sometimes called threat protection, to block malware and ads. If you want extra security, consider enabling VPN. This routes your traffic through 2 servers for added encryption. This may slow connection speed, but increases privacy. Onion over VPN. This sends your traffic through a VPN and then the Tor network. This adds anonymity, but can significantly slow your connection. These features are optional. For most public Wi-Fi use, a single server connection is sufficient. Step 4, connect to a server. To connect quickly, use the Quick Connect button. NordVPN automatically picks the best server based on your location and server load. For general browsing and streaming, this is the easiest option. If you need a specific location, for example, to access region-restricted content, scroll through the server list and pick a country. Servers are labeled for peer-to-peer, double VPN, onion over VPN, and specialty servers like dedicated IP. Once you click the server, the app will connect. You'll see a notification when the connection is established. All your internet traffic now flows through the encrypted tunnel. Step 5, verify the connection. After connecting, verify that your IP address has changed. Open a browser and search, "What is my IP?" Compare the location shown before and after connecting to NordVPN. You should see the location of the VPN server instead of your real location. This confirms that your traffic is being routed through the VPN. You can also check for DNS leaks by visiting a DNS leak test website. This ensures that your DNS queries are going through the VPN rather than your local ISP. NordVPN's apps typically handle DNS requests securely, but it's always good to double check. Step 6, browse and use public Wi-Fi safely. Now you can browse, shop, or stream with more confidence. Always connect to NordVPN before entering sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers. Use HTTPS sites whenever possible, and the combination of HTTPS and a VPN adds layers of encryption. Avoid downloading files from unknown sources or clicking on suspicious links, even when the VPN is active. Configure auto-connect, optional. Now, if you connect to public networks frequently, then set NordVPN to auto-connect. In the settings, you can choose to connect automatically when the app detects an unsecured Wi-Fi network. This ensures that you're always protected without remembering to turn on the VPN manually. Step 8. Keep the app updated regularly. Regularly update the NordVPN app. Updates often include security improvements, bug fixes, and new features. On mobile devices, just enable automatic updates. On desktop, check for updates or download them from their websites. So public Wi-Fi is convenient, but risky. Without protection, your data can be intercepted, logged, or stolen. A VPN like NordVPN creates an encrypted tunnel, hides your IP address, and adds security features to keep you safe on open networks. In this tutorial, we explained the dangers of public Wi-Fi, how a VPN protects you, and how to set up and use NordVPN step by step. We covered why public Wi-Fi is vulnerable to eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attacks, how encryption, IP masking, and no logs policies work, and what additional features NordVPN offers. Kill switch, CyberSec, and double VPN. We walk through choosing a subscription, installing the app, enabling security settings, and connecting to servers, and verifying your connection. If you travel often, work from coffee shops, or just want peace of mind when connecting to unknown networks, then NordVPN is a super solid choice. It's easy to set up, offers great security, and lets you browse the internet with confidence. So if you want to get started, just click that link down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.